came out here with a Yamaha R1 and I was just redlining that thing. Bat, 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 bat. That sounded like a two-stroke dirt bike. Even though I know what about and despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in the cage. Despite all my rage, I'm still a rat in the cage. Come on, Lucy, let me see what you got, babe. Okay, I can work with it. What's going on, the YouTube family? We're back at it. I'm the girl, Juicy Lucy, baby. Sunday fun day. And we're moving along. And I was just a little bored, guys. You know, I was in the house. Obviously, I wanted to get out on the bike and go for a little cruise. And I didn't really have anything in mind of what I wanted to do a video on or what I wanted to talk about. But we are going to go over to my local Harley Davidson dealer, check it out, see what they got on the floor. You know, I don't know, it's just like one of those things. Like, if you're on the bike, you're kind of like, screw it, I'm gonna go to the dealer and just check it out, look around, you know, like little window shopping. So I'm gonna pull in there, stop in there, check it out a little bit, see what they got. And I don't know, lately I've been on this kick. Like, I know I've told you guys before that I would probably never get like a sport bike or a crotch rocket again. But I've just been, I can't help myself. I've been seeing these videos of people, you know, they got the crazy BMW S1000s and the Yamaha R1s, the R1Ms, Kawasaki H2R and stuff. Oh my god, I'm watching these people get on these bikes and just rip them, and I'm like, man, I need one of those. But I know I don't need it. I know I do not need it. That is the last thing I need. But I'm seeing these videos and they're like they're so tempting, man. It just makes me want to go, like, at least test ride something. But I know if I test ride something, I'm gonna get myself all worked up. I'm gonna be like, man, if I do this or I do that, I could at least get an R1 in the garage. Then I'll have two bikes. But I'm trying to stop myself, guys. I'm trying to stop myself. I'm obviously not getting rid of Lucy, but part of me starts to think, man, a second bike would not be a bad idea. And if I was gonna get a second bike, I don't think I'd be getting another Harley. I'd for sure have to switch it up, get a little variety, and go with like a crotch rocket. And I already had a 600, so it would have to be 1,000. Have to be a leader bike. But I don't know why I'm on this kick lately. It's like, it never crossed my mind before. And then in my algorithm on YouTube, it's just been like non-stop suggesting these videos to me of these guys with these crazy leader bikes. That was the longest flight ever. These crazy leader bikes, and it's like, just got my mind wondering. I'm like, man, maybe I should get something like that. I don't know. I'm not gonna say, I'm never gonna say never, because I get on these little spurts, these kicks, where I'm like, you know what? Screw it. I'll buy a Yamaha R1 just for one riding season. I'll buy it in April. I'll sell it in October or November. I'll just, maybe I'll do something like that in the future. Who knows? I'm not gonna say I'm not, because I don't know. I really don't. But if something like that were to happen, it's not happening anytime soon. I'll tell you that. That at least I can tell you for sure. But what would you guys think? Honestly, I mean, what would you guys think if your boy Get This Nick just came out here one day with a BMW S1000? Or I came out here with a Yamaha R1 and I was just redlining that thing. Bat, 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 bat. That sounded like a two-stroke dirt bike. And I was just zooming. It's nothing like it, man. I mean, it's for sure a different experience. You know, riding a motorcycle is the experience of, you know, as itself, but when you get on something like that, just an absolute, as I call it, piss missile. At the crack of a throttle, you're tucked down, you're hunched over. 0 to 100 in 0.3 seconds. You're flying. It's no good for me, man. I can't control myself. I have no self-control when it comes to stuff like that. Whoa! What do we got going on at Harley? Time out! I was just pulling up to see what's up. I didn't know that there was gonna be this little get together. Maybe I'll have to, I can't pull up in the front, so maybe I have to go right here. Axe Legends mobile axe throwing. Oh, they got the let me shut this off. Let's check it out. Let's see what the hell Harley. They got a food truck, Kiss by Fire, barbecue and pizza. Take my gloves off. What do we got?
It's a song about a girl.
Yeah, it's song is very, very cool.
What's going on?
I really recognize you in there.
Yeah, gotta have that full face, man. What do we got? Another one?
The road glide out front.
That one sold though, right?
I don't know what is it. We had a test ride on it earlier.
Man, I didn't realize how tall these Pan Americas are. I mean, I'm about like 6'1" or 6'2", and this seat is up to my hip. That's crazy. It's like a tall bike. Street Glide ST. Boom. Look at this thing. Cool. They had like a live band and all that stuff. I saw the Pan America in person. That was the first time I saw it in person. That bike is it's very tall. I was standing next to it and it was, I'm like I said, I'm 6'1", 6'2". That bike is up to my hip when I'm standing up next to it. But tons of different bikes there, and every time I've gone there so far since the STs have been out, they've had them in stock, either a street glide or a road glide. So who knows, I wonder how those are selling. But yeah guys, nothing major in today's video. Just wanted to get out, go for a ride, talk to you guys a little bit, look at some new bikes, a little window shopping, little bike shopping. It was cool. I actually ended up I was on the way there, I was talking about a Yamaha R1, and that's what I ended up seeing. Someone rode their Yamaha there. But who knows? Who knows what the future holds? But for now, it's just us and Lucy, guys. It's just us and Juicy Lucy. But if you guys haven't seen my most recent video, that is like the walk around slash first ride slash review of this windshield that I just got on. So go ahead and check that out if you want more information about the windshield. I give my opinion on it, a little walk around so you guys can see how it looks from the front, how I installed it, and everything like that. Maybe just for fun. Maybe just for fun, okay? Just for fun. I'll stop at a Yamaha dealership soon. Maybe I'll just like test ride like an R6. You know, a little 600. Or I think they came out with like an R7. And maybe if I just test ride it, I'll get that urge to buy one out of my system, because I'll ride it and I'll be like, yeah, it's good, I just need to get that out of my system, and then I'll be done, right? Isn't that kind of how it works? You test ride it, you're done with it, you can just move on with your life. Psych. I'll test ride it, I'll be signing my name on the line. But maybe that's something we'll do just for a fun video, a little test ride on like an R6, an R1, something, whatever they got, and I'll get it out of my system. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Take it easy once again. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe out here. Oh, you know what, I almost forgot, I didn't really rip Lucy yet. So I guess I gotta kind of rip her real quick for you guys. Alright, you guys take it easy. Peace.